This is Albert with Radiant Water. Today we're going to be installing a Bison deep well hand pump on an existing well. We're going to be removing the submersible well pump from the well first. It's down about 200 feet. We'll be doing that first and installing the new pump afterwards. So we're going to get started disassembling and bringing the old pump out. We want to check the voltage again, Eric? Wire's pulled tight right there. And we're going to blow up my things if they're hot. I'd say it's dead, it would have sparked there. Well, that thing's got to come out of there, doesn't it? Just be very careful if you lift up on that because it'll drop. Yeah, unscrew, do you think? Maybe I can shut this thing off here.
It's in there pretty tight.
Okay, I don't know why they do that. That's really not very.
Slot or